What? Okay, Carter is just working. I'm like, what the?
Come on. Cordy, press.
Just like,
Cordy, why didn't you press the doctor? He's doing commander shift. Your legs. There.
Annie, are you throwing a prank on us or something?
No, maybe. No, I'm actually not.
Why are you being so suspicious about that?
What? No.
Dun 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 dun.
Like, this is Carter.
Give me the taser. Give me the taser.
Carter, do you have a taser? Sure. Wait, no, everything is not working now. Everything is not like the other one.
Give me a taser.
Cordy, look. It's locked. It won't close.
Am I a paramedic? Dun 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 dun.
Oh, Carter's the one that's following you right now.
Me, Carter's following me. Well, that's you following me.
No, pretend you don't see that.
Who's following me?
Carter. I want to go do the patient.
Who are you? Who got in our...
I got boots for that long. Cordy, that's how long you have your boots for.
Speed run.
Carter's AFK right now.
Is he literally AFK? I don't care. You'll die if I don't do this.
Cordy, why would the thing says there's a surprise at the office door?
Got the eye drops. There. Everyone to the front. Everyone to the front. Everyone to the front. Am I in?
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm in. Everyone at the desk.
There's a surprise on your door.
What the?
Carter's doing all this crazy stuff.
Hi, Dr. Harlow. It's good to see you, man. No, I'm not going to listen to you. You're an anomaly. Bye.
Cordy, try to find me. Try to find me. Try to. Try to find me. Can you find me?
No.
How? You just walked so close to me. Do you not know where I am for real? You actually don't know where I am?
No. What the?
Cordy.
Hey. Yeah?
That's me. Carter's doing all this.
There's two Courtneys.
No, one of them's Annie and the other one... what the heck?
Let him in.
I'm about to look at the camera.
I want to go to 3.
What the heck?
I'm gonna go to 3.
I'm going to 3.
I'm going in 3. Carter, it's an anomaly. It's an anomaly. That. Carter had died? Carter died. Wait. No. Annie died. No, Annie died.
You're Annie.
Yeah, I know. Annie died.
You're Annie. Annie
No.
did not die.
Die.
No, Annie died.
You're Annie. What? Where did Carter go?
I don't know.
I am
Carter just left the
zombie.
server. Carter just left the server.
Cordy, don't you dare look inside of room 3.
Zombie.
I totally wasn't doing anything. Suspicious or sus. Do not come in
Yeah,
room 3.
can you try again?
I won't.
No, we cannot look at each other's screens.
I'm in lobby.
What were you just doing in here?
Look!
Don't
Look!
come, don't come into the room. Don't look in room 4. Dun, 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 dun.
Courtney!
I totally
Is
wasn't.
there any patience?
Look!
Go to the patient.
Look! Courtney!
Cordy.
I know.
Cordy. Cordy, come in room 3. Come in room 3.
What? What the? Go do the pages. There's someone waiting out there. I hear the bell.
That's
Go.
not a bell. That's a sus. No! No! We need this copy.
I need it.
How much sanity do you have?
You have 82. I have 55.
Cody, I'm just that low. Cody, Carter, don't put that thing in my ear.
I have to drop something.
Who?
Yo guys, children,
No.
please, cousin.
No. That's why you shouldn't have left the game.
Go!
No.
That's what you're doing anyway. That's what you do. Stop.
I am about to punch you.
No, I can't touch you. Cause, huh?
Oh,
What just happened? I think we all heard that on Discord. Did we? Anna, did you hear that through Discord?
And that's why you can't stop.
Maybe you should put your mic on mute.
No.
kept it.
No. Don't stop it. Be quiet. Stop.
Why do you still have your mic on audio?
Because you got
Carter,
stop.
Carter's having a temper tantrum.
don't look outside the door. Do not look outside the door, please. Okay?
What the heck?
I totally wasn't spying on you. I'm totally doing a patient.
There's not even any.
I'm doing a patient.
Maple
I'm doing a patient. I'm doing a patient. Okay.
Wait, maple syrup.
I'm doing a patient on the other side.
Oh, cough serum. Okay.
I totally wasn't just
Awesome.
spying on you.
You were. I turned around and I saw you staring at me. Okay.
Ah, you can't see me.
I don't care.
Gritty, you can't see me. Don't actually.
The doctor's arriving. Come on to the front.
Gritty. I got 5 more users. I want to shut him out. He's an anomaly. Keep him out. Keep him out.
That's why you can't stop.
Put your mic on mute. Mute. No. Take your mic off of audio.
That's why you can't stop.
I don't want to buy.
Break.
Well, I want to buy this. But I can't. Cordy, do you have enough money? No, we got the same amount. Cordy, this is a new update. New update.
What? Oh my, good.
It's the fish update.
Yeah, Annie, you can do this a long way. I'm not doing it a normal way.
Sorry.
Why did you throw that out?
This is how much I have.
I have 52. I needed coffee.
Cordy, I didn't know.
I'm not playing with y'all.
Yeah, then don't.
I'm not playing with y'all.
Then don't.
Cause you're not playing
Then
with
don't.
me. You're not
Then
playing with
don't.
me.
Then don't. The answer is then don't. Next time, put your audio on.
Answer is yes.
Then don't.
Answer is yes.
Then don't.
Yes.
I can't. Cordy is a fish. Cordy, we got new fish update. I'm killing you. Never mind.
Yeah, just have the other person wait. You can do it, Matthew. I'm just gonna do the
I don't
check-in.
know what's living from the ceiling, but there's so